This facility is just the first of the 11 planned provincial locations nationwide under San Miguel Foods Poultry Mega Farm projects. Once realized, this will ensure a more stable, sufficient, and cost-competitive supply of chicken, as well as bolster the food and nutritional needs of our people. We have to also explain to our people, we also have to show them that this is the way forward, this is the way of the future. And it is something that is not, sasabihin natin, masyadong mahirap yan, doon lang sa abroad yan, yung mga malaking lugar. And this goes to show that that's not necessarily the case. We can definitely do anything that they do abroad, anything that we can see that are advantageous to the food supply, we can adopt here and adjust it to the Philippine conditions. Iba ang merkado nito, iba ang market nito dahil ang lalabas dito hindi dadalhin sa palengke dahil naka-process na, dressed na, frozen na. Kaya't yan ang hindi masasagasaan ang mga small producers. So that is the balance that we are trying to achieve. This kind of facility goes a long way in achieving that.